Hey there, engineering fans. Ever wondered how a bridge can go up in just days instead of months? It's called accelerated bridge construction, or ABC. It's a smarter, faster way to build bridges by assembling key components off-site and installing them in a matter of hours or days. By reducing time spent on-site, ABC minimizes road closures, lowers safety risks, and keeps traffic flowing, all while delivering high-quality results. And behind the scenes, hydraulic tools do all of the heavy lifting. To transport and position entire bridge sections, bridge engineers use self-propelled modular transporters, often paired with jack-up systems, like these Enerpac self-locking cube jacks. Controlled lifting pumps and synchronous hoist systems ensure smooth, level lifts across multiple points. When spans need to shift sideways into place, horizontal skidding systems provide precise, low-friction movement. And in tight spaces, strand jacks and hydraulic gantries deliver powerful vertical lifting where cranes can't reach. For longer bridges, custom bridge launching systems push pre-assembled sections forward, one span at a time, saving time and reducing risk. Finally, hydraulic and battery-driven torque wrenches ensure reliable, high-precision bolting during installation. From lifting and sliding to launching and tightening, hydraulics are driving the future of faster, safer bridge construction. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.